Hello friends, this is, I'm washing my hair here with shampoo in this lovely shower. We're getting ready to go out to visit some vineyards and some wineries. Well, the vineyards aren't operating right now, but the wineries, many of them are still open. So we're going to head out and check some of them out.
It's right.
Oh no!
Ah, there we go.
And we're going to find out what chocolate wine looks like.
Hey, listen.
Oh, and almond champagne. It's a beautiful day today. I don't even need a jacket. We're on our way to Temecula. Well, we're in Temecula, but we're going to go into town and we're going to drive around and have a look at some of the wineries. We've heard that some of them are fabulous, and we drove by a few last night that looked really interesting, so off we go.
That's our rental. So the first place we're stopping on our little tour here is Doffo Wines, and our host gave us a list of places, and this one, she said, also had a vintage motorcycle display collection, and so if that's true, that would be something cool to shoot, so we'll see. But anyway, this is what it says from their website. The Doffo family invites you to visit our charming home and winery. Nestled on the northeast border of the Temecula Valley, the winery was founded in 1997 by Marcello Doffo. We're in an almost empty parking lot. Is really great because it's beautiful temperature out, but it's off season. I think everything's kind of dormant, which is perfect for us. We like it with not too many people, and we certainly don't mind putting on a coat. So here's what I mean by how quiet it is. This is the parking lot. This is us. And there's just one more vehicle over there. So yeah, and everything looks, as I say, fairly dormant. Let's go check it out.
It says tasting room that way. We could go that way or just walk over.
Nursery is over this way. Start out this way.
Go and see what's what.
And there's
It's cool to be standing here looking at such wide, like the vastness of it. All those hills over there, everything's so far away. How old they get, because they look like they've been here for quite a while.
well, as advertised. Vintage motorcycles. Bye.